Hello and welcome back. Today I'm designing another stand or riser or whatever you want to call it for my Xbox Series X because I have a new entertainment center that allows me to stand the console upright as I originally wanted. But I'm concerned for dust and airflow. Call me paranoid, it's okay. So I want to pick it up a little bit to ease my mind, so let's just jump right into it. Okay, this is another design I was working on. I will also post this to Thingiverse. But this orange disc here is the same diameter of the little round piece, the base, whatever, that's on the bottom of the console. So this is just for reference. Alright, I'm gonna make a copy of that. What I want to do is try out this wrapping text in Tinkercad. I know the radius is 145. Whoa, that's huge. So let's go with, well, let's just put the words in there, Xbox Series X. Okay, I don't want the gap there so close between the letters. Let me fiddle with it to make a bigger gap. That's about as good as it's gonna get. Let's drop the height here to 15 millimeters. It's a little stretch looking, but I'm okay with that. Let's align these and make this 15 millimeters and group those. Okay, now we have a disc, basically, kind of like a coaster, if you will. But if I print it like this, that's going to use a lot of filament. So we don't need a full disc. What I'm going to do is make another copy of the reference piece, shrink it down to about 130 millimeters, make it taller, turn it into a hole, align it to the center of this, and go ahead and group those. Okay, now by all rights and reasons, this should work fine for a base. But I forgot to add the lip, which I should have done in the first place. So you know what? Let's rewind a bit. Okay, let's change this to 149 millimeters. That'll give us a 3 millimeter lip all the way around. Let's align these, change the height of this to 15 millimeters. And my font isn't quite sticking out, so let's change the diameter to 154 millimeters. Wait, why didn't it change? Let me change... Oh wait, there. It's just slow. It hasn't caught up. You can see the size changing there randomly. So the word wrap is a little buggy. No big deal, I guess. See, it just bounced out again as I went to group it. That is not what I wanted at all, so let me go ahead and fix that. Alright, I think that's okay. I can live with that. The word wrap is a little buggy, but it is what it is, I suppose. Okay, let's grab this disc again, put this back to 15 millimeters. Make sure this is 145 millimeters. Turn this into a hole. Align these and drag this up to the top because I only want this inner diameter to be about 2 millimeters deep. So I'm going to drop it in 2 millimeters so that it makes kind of like a little cup for the base of the console to sit in. And again, we don't need all of this because it's too much filament, so we'll grab that cylinder, align it, and group these so that it takes away a lot of that center. Alright, this will be printed in white, so here's a little preview of what it'll look like. Okay, let's export it and open it up in Cura. So here we are in Cura, and these are my settings. 20% infill, standard quality, nothing special. Let's slice it and see it's about 5 hours. Here's what the preview looks like. It all looks good to me, so let's start the print and see how it turns out. Okay, I forgot to hit record on my time lapse apparently, sorry about that. Oh wow, it just popped right off the build plate, easy peasy. And here it is with the console sitting on it. Against my better judgment, I did use a Sharpie to color the lettering in. Not that there's anything wrong with that if it's your thing, it's just not usually my taste. From a distance it looks okay, I guess. I mean, I don't expect anyone to be getting up close and eyeballing my console like a crazy person, so I can live with it. Alright, thank you again for subscribing and tuning in. I do very much appreciate every view and comment and like that I get. It really means a lot. Links will be in the description. Catch you in the next one, and as always, say it with me, have the best day ever.